Facebook ads is the most dominant platform out there when it comes to delivering results. Therefore, a lot of business owners are ready to throw money to get a Facebook ads expert. I am myself a digital marketing agency owner where 60% of my revenue comes from running Facebook ads for my clients. And if you're wondering, I'll tell you my income, then I'm not. And don't wonder. Starting from this video, I'll be covering Facebook ads in detail, which will help you understand Facebook ads from the basics and scale it up like a pro. The topic of this video is what are Facebook ads and how do they work? Hello everyone, Sanit at this side, and this is the place where I talk about digital marketing, personal branding and earning money online. So if you are new here, then follow me or subscribe to the channel depending upon wherever you are watching this particular video. So let me get started and first of all tell you what are Facebook ads and how do they work in the simplest way possible. Whenever you visit any Facebook owned social media platform such as Facebook itself, Instagram or Messenger, you will see posts from people or brands you haven't followed, and somewhere below their profile picture or next to the ad creative you will see a sponsored tag written. And these are basically the Facebook ads. In order to appear in front of you with the help of ads, brands and people pay to Facebook. And how do they pay? Facebook provides an interface named ad account to everyone who wants to advertise on Facebook. An ad account is basically like a control panel where advertisers control how much they want to spend, whom they want to target, which part of the earth they want to show ads to, and a lot many other controls which I'll discuss in the following videos. But that's not what makes Facebook the best advertising platform. Have you ever talked to your friend over the phone about something and all of a sudden you start seeing that thing all over your feed? Ever wondered why that happens? Does Facebook listen to your phone call? Well, don't wonder, because there is no official explanation to it other than a conspiracy theory that Facebook and Google listen to the conversations and target ads of things that you talk about. Let me know in the comments below if this has ever happened to you and whether or not you believe in this conspiracy theory or you think it's a true phenomenon. To set the record straight, I think it's true. Coming back to the topic, almost all the websites currently have Facebook pixels. Now you must be thinking, what are pixels? Pixel is a tiny code placed on the website to track you. So as soon as you perform tasks like adding shoes to your wish list or your cart, or you visit a blog on supercars, Facebook automatically classifies you in that kind of audience, which is shoes audience and sports car audience over here in this example. Once they classify you into that audience, Facebook starts showing you the ads which other advertisers are showing to this kind of audience. In addition, and most importantly, we all have Instagram and Facebook accounts, and we tend to serve those products on Instagram and Facebook as well. And that also tells Facebook about your buying behavior and interests. And again, a method used by Facebook to classify you in an audience. For example, if you are interacting with a lot of Puma shoes Instagram feed or Instagram posts on Facebook as well as on Instagram, then you will automatically be shown ads of Nike as well, because you are now classified into the shoes audience. Also, I haven't touched the fundamentals of remarketing yet, where you keep on seeing Amazon products on your feed after you just made a mistake of visiting a product page on Amazon. I hope now you understand what Facebook ads are and how they work and how enormous they are. They are everywhere. Now your next step is to wait for the next video in the series, which is why one should use Facebook ads. You can use that particular video to ask your client to start using Facebook ads if they are not already using it. Well, who doesn't use it now? The video must be available here, and if it isn't there, then just subscribe to the channel or follow and press the notification bell from wherever you're watching this particular video, and you'll get the notification of that particular video in your notification panel. Until next time, bye bye.